Hi everyone, I'm going to do a quick demo on how to use this new tape dispenser. This is a game changer when it comes to taping up full bleed or full wrap tumblers. I'm going to show you how it all works. Okay, this little piece pops right out of the back here. This holds 2 or 3 rolls of tape depending on how many you want to put on there. I'm going to do the demo with 2 rolls of tape. So I have my tape started here. You're going to want the sticky side up. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try and do this together. You should probably do it 1 roll at a time, but you just pop them on there like that. Again, sticky side up. You can pop that on. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to stick the sticky side of the tape. You just want to stick it onto the surface there on the wheel. This is like a wheel. Okay, so once you've done that, then you're going to turn this little dial, but I'm going to show you first the blades. We've got blades down here. There's 2 blades, so it's going to be cutting your tape as you turn the wheel. So you'll have like 4 pieces of tape ready to go all the time. And I'll just show you how this works with it open. So it's pulling the tape under. Okay, and now you can see how it's cutting the tape, and I'll just pull these 2 off where I had fastened it. And your tape just sits on here and it's all the same length. See how that works? And then you just close that up so the blades aren't exposed. Okay, so that's that part. Then the other side has a spot for your regular dispenser. So this black part just flips up like that. You put your tape on. You can even put 2 rolls on here, like have one ready to go for when you run out. Okay, I put that tape on upside down. This tape goes on normal, just like you would a regular dispenser where you're going to tear it off the blade. Okay, so like so. You just pull this over. You can stick it to this part here, and there's a little switch here that changes the blade height. So, okay, so right now I have no blade. So it's a safety thing, I guess. Then you can put it in the middle and you'll have like half a blade come up, or all the way and a full blade. And then it just tears off like normal. And that's it. That's all there is to this. Hope you guys like it. Oh, one more thing. You can store a little pair of scissors in there. Probably not a gigantic pair like mine, but to make it easier. There you go. Thanks so much.